In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add meme overlays to videos in CapCut. This is an excellent way to infuse humor and creativity into your video projects, and it's easier than you might think. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to start by choosing an appropriate meme that you'd like to overlay onto your video. Ideally, look for memes with a green screen or a solid background. The reason for this is pretty straightforward. Having a consistent background will make the removal and blending process so much easier. Once you have your meme in hand, you're ready to jump into the CapCut app and begin your project. Open CapCut and start by creating a new project. To do this, simply tap on the New Project button on the app's main screen. Next, you'll want to import the video file that will serve as your background. Choose a video where the meme will complement the content and enhance the viewer's experience. Importing your video is simple. Just navigate to your media gallery within the app and select your desired clip. With your base video loaded up, it's time to add your meme as an overlay. You'll find this option conveniently labeled as Overlay in the bottom toolbar. Once you've tapped to add an overlay, locate the meme you downloaded earlier. Bring it into the project and you'll see it appear above your main video track. Now that the meme is part of your project, it's important to resize and reposition it to achieve the best effect. Use your fingers to pinch and drag the meme around on your screen. Play with the size and position until it's exactly where you want it in the frame. The next step is where the magic happens, blending the meme seamlessly into your video. CapCut offers a powerful tool for background removal that can make this process remarkably efficient. If your meme has a green screen, you'll want to take advantage of CapCut's chroma key feature. To access it, tap on the overlay clip in the timeline, then choose the chroma key option. Once you're in the chroma key menu, you'll need to select the specific green color of your meme's background. This is typically an easy process. Tap on the color selector and drag it over the shade of green you want to remove. Next, adjust the intensity using the slider until the green background fades away completely, leaving only the meme visible. And just like that, your meme is now beautifully integrated into your video. The result is a fun and engaging effect that will capture your audience's attention and add a creative touch to your project. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can effortlessly add meme overlays to any video on CapCut. Have fun experimenting with different memes and video combinations to create something truly unique. Thanks for watching and happy editing.